And so I told her that she need to go ahead and just give him some, because she been talking about it for eons, and if I was her, I'd have went on ahead and I'd have broke him off something. Hey! Girl, I'm gonna call you back, okay? I'm sorry. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Don't worry about what that was. Mind your business. Thank you so much for being with me this evening. You could have been anywhere in the world this evening, but you are here with me. It's getting close to midnight, so it's evening time for me. But thank you for coming. I mean, just thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Bird. I am an actress, entertainer, singer, entrepreneur, all around walking enterprise. But in this video, I am a reactor and reviewer, and today we are reviewing Peace Be Still Season 3, Episode 4. Now, I haven't seen these episodes, so you're getting my genuine reaction right now. Like, I can't even talk straight, but you're getting my genuine reaction as I'm looking at these videos. The links are down in the description box if you want to know what I'm talking about. Peace Be Still is a web series brought to you by Victory Productions in association with Film Architects. The links are down in the description box, like I said before, for seasons 1, 2, and 3. But if you are here, you came to watch it with me. You came to see my reaction. You came to see my faces. There are some disclaimers, and I'm gonna go ahead and list them just so you know. In this video, you will see spoilers, fussing, cussing, sipping, smoke. Mind your business. Just know I told you. And the content that I'm watching is for mature audiences, so please don't have your kids around. Put your headphones on or send them, just put their asses to bed. Be a good parent. Put them to bed. They don't need to be watching this. But I do appreciate you being here and being an adult with me, because I'm in my chill. And I'm pretty sure my edges are curling up at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and just shut the hell up. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to go ahead and get into this episode. But I thank you for being here. Like I said before, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down in the box. How do you feel about the episode that I'm watching? How do you feel about the previous episode? What other series do I need to get into? Y'all go ahead and let me know what that's about. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna go on here and start. Yeah, he at the door. You gonna let him in?
What the hell are you doing here? What the hell am I doing here? I'm here to give you a chance to be a real bitch about yours and admit the shit that you did. Admit the night you came over to my room and I fucked you, the only reason you came over is so you could set me up for Chloe's murder.
Listen, I
did nothing. Shit. Did everything for you.
Did you?
I gave you everything. Everything you asked for. Even the shit that you didn't deserve, and that's how you repay me?
You didn't, though.
Kane, you need to leave.
No. I'm not leaving. I'm not going no damn where. Not till you admit what you did.
And then what?
Hey, get the fuck out of here, Kane.
Well, I see you got yourself a yard dog. What breed is it?
Oh, wow.
You better get going before I throw your scrawny ass out, boy.
Yo, for real, though. The detective just busted up in the house. He ain't knocking nothing. Here we go. Never trust a big button to smile. That girl is nay.
Good morning.
Oh, morning.
I hope the couch is okay.
It's cool, thank you.
Have you ever done something that you knew was wrong and that you wish you could take back?
Of course, we all have.
She over here confessing.
I just feel so horrible about what I've done. I wish that I wasn't so easily persuaded. No. Manipulated into doing what I did.
Oh, girl, no, you was not.
No. Look, I can't go to prison. Look, I can't. I'm not going there. I won't.
Madam, you trust me.
Girl,
Okay.
get to the lie. Hurry up.
It was me. I framed Kane for Chloe Sinclair's murder.
What?
But it was Abigail Steele that persuaded me to do it.
Damn, she used you too? Abigail, she found out I was working undercover. She said she knew who killed Chloe. She pointed me straight to your ex. I knew it was bullshit, but I wanted to hurry up and wrap things up.
Kane isn't by any means an innocent man.
No, but he didn't kill Chloe.
Right.
I just needed to win. I was nowhere close to finding around who actually did it. I just folded.
Here we go.
It was really good to be able to get this shit off my chest.
Yeah, I know. It feels good to me too.
So basically, you a shitty cop, and we all know Nene ain't shit. So two shitty niggas gonna get together, and I guess we gonna have shitty babies. I don't know. Cause what you gonna do now? Cause you ain't gonna turn her in. We don't know where her brother at, even though, you know, he got shot in the back and then landed on his back. It's crazy. But, I mean, the threats. And here we are. Somehow this turns us on, and we're going to get it in right here on this leather couch. Makes perfect sense.
What the hell you doing here?
The same reason you doing here, little brother. To get what's mine.
This shit right here, it's my shit.
Whatever, man. Dad is dead. None of the bullshit you did in the past to steal a company from me no longer matters. See, it took me some time, but I finally opened my eyes and realized I am where I belong. I'm a steal, and I'm coming for what's mine.
Look who finally decided to try and grow some balls.
Then had balls. Big balls. Just ask Naomi.
Oh.
Well, may the best man win.
Don't worry. I will.
This is war.
It's cute.
We both got our suits on.
Asher, where are you going?
The truth. Now it's time to tell the truth. Naomi needs to know it was me that killed Trevor. And Kane needs to know it was Abby that used what Trevor had to frame him for Chloe's murder.
It's just, I don't know, Asher. Just, Okay. Okay.
I got cookies.
But, can you have something to eat first? Please?
Fine.
I'm gonna make you something really quick, okay?
What'd I say? What'd I say? She's making cookies. Don't eat them.
What the hell is going on in here?
Ah, fellas, you made it just in time.
Abby, did you call a board meeting? You know, so why wasn't I informed? Or me?
Right. So this is called a quorum. So you guys would know that if you had any idea how to properly run an organization.
You know, I think it's time for us to go so you all can sort all this out. Ladies.
You better scoot on up out of there. Let's get at her. It's a family issue.
This is not going to end well. As long as my check clears, that's all I care about.
Mm-hmm. That's all we even care about.
Now, Abby, I'm going to ask you this one more time. What the hell is going on in here?
A motion to vote the new additions to the steel industry bylaws, which just passed right as you walked in.
Anyone with a criminal history, including arrest, even if the charges are formally dropped, will not be allowed to occupy the position of CEO of Steel Industries?
Oh.
And anyone who is not a direct blood relative of the founder, Isaiah Steele, is not allowed to occupy the position of CEO of Steel Industries. You did.
She did.
since you're playing by my game, I'm sure you know what happens next, right?
He don't know what happens next.
I can't believe you. What happened to you?
It's puppy dog shit. If you don't get the fuck.
I finally have everything that I've been wanting. And I'm not letting anyone or anything get in the way of that. I would die before I give any of this shit up.
Titanic.
Be careful what you wish for.
Titanic.
Remember, the power of life and death comes through the tongue.
And the curses within. You're welcome. Choices. Uh-oh.
Yo, that was...
Interesting, to say the least. I learned a lot about you, Detective.
Well, I'll be sure you a lot more.
I'm sure. However, the only thing that I'm interested in is you helping me take down Abigail Steele.
Why?
She's still on it.
So I can get what I want. What I deserve. I mean, sure, you could always decline. But if you do, then I'd have to go to your brothers and your sisters in blue. And I would have to play them this.
Abigail, she found out I was working undercover. She said she knew who killed Chloe. She told me straight to your ex.
And the music tells it all. Nene on her shit.
But I wanted to hurry up and wrap things up.
Nene's with the shits.
I just said fuck it and went with it.
So, either you help me or you don't. Either way, your ass is grass. So, at least with helping me, you can help destroy the bitch that ruined your career.
I'm gonna be looking at her.
Ooh. How hard I'm gonna play you. You won't even know what to do. How hard I'm gonna play you. You won't even know. Oh. We hadn't even gotten dressed yet.
Hey Jeremiah, it's me. Listen, I know you said that you didn't want to have anything else to do with me. And I can't blame you for that. And I'll always love you. Always remember that.
Daddy, you gonna have to give me, brother, you just gonna have to give me some time. Cause what? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You ate the cookies. Was it pizza? It must have been pizza. Cause it ain't nothing but crust on the plate. Who are you talking to?
So sorry.
What trick?
Not trick.
Game over.
I don't have time for this.
Oh, well, you better make time. Otherwise, I'm going to go down to the police station with the recording that I have of that detective basically admitting that you coerced him into arresting Kane for Chloe's murder, even though you knew he didn't do it.
That's voodoo. That's voodoo, chick.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Look, I'll set up some time for us to meet later so that we can discuss my new position with benefits.
Cause I need some
Gotcha
money.
now, bitch.
I got a front door now. I ain't renting out no rooms. So I'm gonna need some money. No more I'm in a buying Nate status. Yes! Nate, yes!
I see.
You thinking about it? This was like, what type of beat up was this?
decision, bitch.
Really? Really? I knew to see he was wearing all black when he laid up with her. I guess it was later on that night or something like that. Knew he had something to do with it because, you know, Kane ain't shit. Yeah, Nene calling. Ooh, he ignoring.
Leave a message.
Abel, it's Naomi. Look, it was Kane. Kane was the one that attacked me. He made me lose our baby.
Our baby? Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh! No, Nene! Abby. Really?
Kane, what the hell do you want?
May I come in?
No. You gonna let him in anyway. Just. It be the silly shit for me. That's what be killing me.
Abby said something that really stuck out to me. She said that we're always warring with each other. She's right. But if we want to get her out of that seat and out of the company for good, we're going to have to do something that we've never done before.
Come together.
Meaning?
Meaning, we're going to have to work together, brother.
Dun dun dun. Cue the music. Oh! There she is gone.
Wonder who could have done this.
No, now Nene. What? Both of them dead? Now y'all bloody. Now she all bloody. What's going on?
The fuck?
Exactly. Oh. Rest in peace to Nene. Rest in peace to Asher. Rest in peace to the pregnant cookie lady. Brittany. Abby out here just shooting folks. And the detective still over here being the worst cop ever. This is ridiculous. This is all the way ridiculous. And I'm fretted. Boo! We have one more episode left. This last episode that we'll see, episode 5, is the series finale of Peace Be Still. And I don't know how to feel. I really don't. They're gonna have to kill Abby. Why did Asher have to die? That was just the most side piece story ever. Like, y'all better figure out how to wrap this up by the end of the series. Like, by this next episode. It better be crazy. Cause what? What is what? I thank you guys for tuning in with me and watching Peace Be Still episode 4. The links, like I said, are down there in the description. Seasons 1, 2, and 3. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you decided to be here with me. Like I said, my social medias are down in the description box. I just got links. Links down there everywhere. I don't even understand it, but it's a lot of them I understand. But I mean, I consolidate everything for you. But either way, I do want you to have a wonderful rest of your day on purpose. And I will see you next time for the next video. We'll be looking at Peace Be Still, episode 5, the series finale. That will be the end of it. It's a wrap. We lost Nene. We lost Asher. We lost the Cookie Lady. So we're only down to a few siblings left. And winner takes all. We're going to be here to watch it. I thank you again, and I'll see you next time. Take care. I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. Whew.